So Veda, the first thing you want to do for this problem is distribute that -3 through the parentheses to the minus u and the -1. So that's going to give you a negative times a negative is a positive. So I'm going to get a positive 3u, and the -3 times -1 is going to give me +3. And that's going to be equal to, on the other side, I have -4 plus 2u, right? Now, I want to get all my u's on one side, so I'm going to cancel the plus 2u on the right side by subtracting 2u on both sides. So 3u take away 2u is u, or 1u. I have 1u plus 3 equals -4. And now I'm going to minus 3 on both sides to get u alone. And so I think you're going to get u equals -7 there, because -4 take away 3 more would be -7. I hope that helps.